Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir, and in my channel, drama bhi nahi, gossip bhi nahi, only food videos. So I'm here with another food video, and here in Delhi NCR, it's so cold. Bishi thanda ase. So during winter time, we want to eat some spicy masala wala or chal kaun jana. So today I'm going to make very chal wala and spicy wala. Chalo, let's start our cooking. So ajila masala wala aru chal wala idu chicken recipe banawle ase. So idu lok dhaba style recipe nishna ase aru like I think South TV famous as ningi. So I learned it from somewhere else. So aji idu banawle ase moi. First of all, we are going to cut these onions. So onions bishi haliule ase. It's this onions it's nearly half kilo. So bishi onions haliule ase. Now we are going to cut this. Bishi patla bhi noy, mota bhi noy, medium slice di katibi. So onion to kati luise. Idia tel gorom korobo. I'm using mustard oil. Tel to gorom hoise, ija onions to dhalibo. So the onions to golden brown hoa tak fry karo le. It will look time lagibo. By the time idu ginger garlic ase, idu ginger garlic to paste korobo. Ginger to boil up. Garlic bhi kuribo, garlic bhi kundibo. Ekta da harina kundibi, nole garlic to jam ho jao. Jam kuri barna kut bulai jao na. So time de do onions to hilai thakibe, nole chuli jabo. Sabi ginger garlic bhi hoise, sab kundise. Now we will cut this green chilies. Green chilies to apni kiman phali jai, apni marcha khabole lai sab ra halibi. Still we need to fry for some time. So keep frying. Now we will cut these tomatoes. 3 tomatoes. Cut in this shape. Oh, sabi color change hoye ase. Jar bas 2 minutes isnai fry koribi. Edu chulaun dibi de. Edu chulai jaisi gole to hoise. Sabji to sab taste khatam. Jo fully brown hoise. Jo gas to bon korina. Jali olabi. See this. So idu onions to alop thanda hobo dibo. Thik hi ase ni. So by the time we will mix the masalas. Chicken to hali dibi. Chicken to halishe. Ginger garlic paste. Green chilies. Sabi green chilies man bishi ayo. Salt. Tomatoes. Curry pata bhi halibi. Curry pata will give you a very good taste. Haldi powder. The garam masala. Half spoon dalibi. Chicken masala lo bishi halibo 1 spoon. Jeera powder. Dhania powder. Idu Kashmiri mish powder. Lo bishi halibo. Aru idu black pepper. Idu island lobra paise moi. Black pepper lo bishi halibo ide. We will mix this nicely. Masala pishi khamanogan masala lo pishi bhi halibo bari kuno hai. Dia edo onion fried bhi halibi de. Sob halina bhal pra mix koribi. Bhal pra mix koribi. To sabi bhal pra mix korise masalas gando. So half an hour nishina rakhibo pare. It's totally optional. So you can keep aside for half an hour or you can directly fry it. I'm not going to keep it for half an hour. I'm going to fry it directly. Then mix it nicely in oil. You should fry it in a medium flame. Like 20 to 30 minutes we will fry this. Wow, Sabido, it smells so good. And you don't need to add any water. The tomato la pani is na itu rai paki jawo. That's why cook it in a very medium flame. Itu dry guna bunawale asida. Chukka recipe asida. Mola favorite. Oh, sabi slow cook kore ase ja 10 minutes jina hoise. So namak pi taste koribi, and as per your taste, if you want to add salt, you can add salt. Nimokolo pumdin nishna ase moi nimide, so I'm adding little bit of salt. Wow. Iman bhal. I cannot explain iman itla smell na. Over tasty de. Khai bi sane only smell over tasty. Fry sabji bhi bhal ase bishe. Phala baki ase. Chula bhi chula nai. Dani medium flame diye rakhiyo lage. Charo lo banao. Oh, bishi de jado. Like 30 minutes isina fried korise do. Chukka fry, no water. Cho, hoishi jado. Chalo, off koribo and khana time. Chalo, khana time ase je hali na khabo. Wow. Phala ase. Cho, lai pata banaise aji bhi. Kiman special sabji holbi. Lai pata la boil, vegetables boil khabo lage. Okay, ija do testing kora time. একদম মছলাটো ভাল আছে দেই chicken drumstick wow Chukka fry কৰিছে তেল দিয়ে পানী भी নাথালে না ইমান টেষ্টি আছে মই কৈছো না अलग अलग खाना টেষ্ট কৰো ট্ৰাই কৰি চাব লাগে wow 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 মান ভাল বেছি টেষ্টি দে Chukka বনা দিবি wow this is too good I'm just loving it so guys if you like this video please subscribe to my channel aruna please Instagram ni bhi follow karo de dare followers bishi kumdi ase so thank you so much for watching this video and like I said don't forget to subscribe to my channel hit the like button and also the notification icon bye bye see you in the next video